Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. This video is about Dogecoin. This is a Dogecoin update talking about some key stuff that's happened in the last 24 hours. We're going to talk about Elon Musk and the B word event, the fact that he publicly admitted that he owned Dogecoin. In fact, I'm trying to go back and remember if he has publicly stated that he owned it. He has said over and over again that his son is a Dogecoin holder, but I don't really remember him ever saying that. And drop in the comments if I'm wrong in that. I'm trying to remember that. Drop in the comments, let me know. Am I misremembering that? Because I've been covering Dogecoin for a while now, and I don't think he's ever publicly admitted, Elon has, that he owns Dogecoin. Number one. Number two, we're going to talk about a particular big exchange that has added the payment capability for Doge. Who do you think that is? Drop in the comments below. Which exchange do you think that is that's added that? We're going to talk about that, and we're going to look at the overall state of the union for all things Doge. This is a good day, just as a follow-up to everything that's going on with Doge. We're getting some media traction. We're getting some attention. We're starting to it's starting to head back in the right direction. All right, as always, thank you for your support. This video is for entertainment purposes only. In the links below, you'll see a link to my Patreon group. If you want to go check that out, please do so. I have supporter level, inner circle level. Inner circle, you get access to my portfolio, everything I'm doing, buying, holding, selling, beforehand when I buy, beforehand when I sell. Also, I'll let you know about hot crypto tips, the hot cryptos that I'm looking at. These are tips that I hear from kind of my sources and all that kind of stuff. And both levels, supporter and inner circle, have access to the Discord. So check that out below if that's something you are interested in. Love to have you. Come over. And by the way, you can message me there as well, over there. All right, so Bitcoin, looking at the overall state of the union. Let's refresh this. Hadn't refreshed this. Yeah, it was 29,000 since the last time I refreshed the screen. We're back up to 32,403. Ethereum's up. These are good things. The market is kind of headed in the right direction, which is all right with me. Dogecoin is down 6%. Okay, Dogecoin's been kind of a little bit all over the place in the last little bit here. You can see we did get up to highs of 21 cents yesterday, and then we've had a little bit of volatility, but really do have a kind of a sideways pattern, and you can see that better here on this trading view. Each candlestick represents 1 hour's worth of trading data. You see we had the nice run up from the lows down in the 16. I personally picked up some additional coins in that area, which I thought was a pretty good buy, and we immediately rode it all the way back up to 20 plus cents, and now we've kind of settled in this, we're right in this, kind of 1945 to 1872. We got a support level at right around that 1870. We've hit that support level, bounced through it, but have come back and rallied, and we've touched it a few more times. So we've definitely kind of continued to bounce off that support level, and we're starting to get a little bit higher highs right here relative to that support level, and maybe moving in the right direction, potentially looking at maybe a breakout in that direction. And I cannot draw arrows to save my life. Same thing for kind of the resistance level. This has definitely served as a resistance level, been there, kind of tested it, come back a few times. We've had 4 or 5 candle wicks touch that. Just love saying the word wick, candle wick. How many of John Wick's movies have you seen? Drop in the comments below. Hey, why not? Keep it light, right? You got to have some entertainment value here as well. I'm a huge fan of the John Wick movie franchise, although it's crazy, how many people he shoots in those movies. It's absolutely crazy. Crazy. All right, that's not a straight line, I don't think. All right, anyway, no big deal. That's the OCD guy in me. All right, continue to look there. Okay, so we're going to talk about real quickly the fact, let's talk about the wallet scenario, or the payment scenario first thing. Coinbase has added support for Dogecoin payments. Pretty darn cool. Okay, so they're up in their game over at the big Coinbase. This, by the way, this is the only 6th crypto to be integrated with Coinbase's e-commerce platform. For those of you guys who are out there kind of like, nothing's really happening, this is a big deal, Austin, but it's not reflective in the pump of the price. Not necessarily. This is a piece of information that could have gotten past a lot of people. To me, this just continues to lay the groundwork for Dogecoin to continue to be a coin that's going to be around for years and years and come. I mean, look at the company they are now keeping. Okay, so Dogecoin alongside Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin and USDC as one of only a handful of Coinbase Commerce's, say that really fast, Coinbase Commerce's supported cryptos. Wow, that's a tongue twister. It will add fuel to the resurgent memes coin bid for crypto payments. Coinbase Commerce allows online merchants to accept cryptocurrencies. Okay? We already talked about this before. Mark Cuban, you can buy Dallas Mavericks merch with Dogecoin. This is a big deal, guys, and it's one that I don't know if a lot of people are really aware of or anybody's talking about. But this is a pretty gosh darn. There you go. That's an old saying my grandmother and grandfather used to say. Gosh darn. I don't know where I've been getting these at lately. Maybe I've been thinking about my grandmother or my grandfather recently. It's a pretty big deal, okay? So I just want you guys to be aware of this. I mean, this really solidifies to me Dogecoin continuing to grow and to change. And remember, I've always talked about there's really three reasons I love Doge. There's the Doge Army. There's the media / celebrity factor, okay? Elon and all the media coverage for Doge. And then there's that third pillar that I love Doge, and that was the ability of it to develop as a currency that's being used to buy goods and services. Right here, guys. This is it. This is a continued evolution of that currency model continuing to kind of fulfill itself, okay? Also, so let's switch over now. Elon Musk reveals SpaceX owns Bitcoin. Didn't know that. He personally owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. I might pump, but I don't dump, okay? So I love that he owns BTC, ETH, and Doge. Pretty darn cool. This came out yesterday on the B Word event, which happened yesterday, which was the event to, propagate Bitcoin at the institutional level to get more institutional buy-in on Bitcoin as an asset, etc. So he revealed that he personally owns Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. His companies SpaceX and Tesla own Bitcoin. He also said that Bitcoin's energy usage is, quote, is shifting a lot more towards renewables. Yeah, we did learn that. And Tesla will likely resume accepting the cryptocurrency after he does more due diligence. Can't say that today. Let's see. I'm just so responding to his on view on Bitcoin, Musk will be outlining the benefits of the cryptocurrency. He wore an Evolution Money t-shirt during the live discussion. It's got a lot of potential, he said, quote, emphasizing, I quote, I'm not an investor. Musk said that the only significant public traded stock he owns are Tesla and SpaceX stocks. He continued, apart from that, I do own Bitcoin, Tesla owns Bitcoin, SpaceX owns Bitcoin, and I personally own a bit of Ethereum and Dogecoin. I wonder what his bit is. It's probably millions of dollars. I mean, he's a billionaire, right? He said Musk affirmed that he is, quote, a general supporter of Bitcoin and, quote, the Bitcoin I own is worth a lot more than Ethereum or Doge. Well, of course it is. I mean, obviously, just because of the price points and things like that. Indicating he doesn't believe in selling after helping to boost prices. Quote, if the price of Bitcoin goes down, I lose money. I might pump, but I don't dump. I would like to see Bitcoin succeed. Pretty cool. I like that. So he halted Tesla's acceptance of Bitcoin. He confirmed that, quote, we are not selling any Bitcoin, nor am I selling it personally, nor is SpaceX selling any Bitcoin. Let's see. I'm just looking for anything more Doji. Nope, no more Doji there. The Dogecoin stuff, okay? So again, guys, wanted to let you know that he does personally own Dogecoin. I thought that was pretty cool. That did come out. I thought that was worth mentioning, and drop in the chat, comment below. I'm almost positive that he's never publicly admitted to owning Doge. Maybe he has, and maybe I just missed it. I know his son Lil X does. It's a pretty cool name, by the way, what he calls him, Lil X. But I don't remember him personally saying that. So I may have missed that. I've slept since then, so to speak, right? Have you ever heard that saying? All right. Sorry I'm rambling today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for your support. See ya. Bye.